for the 5th time. I keep trying to press the delete on this, right, which is here, and then I press the one to turn off the video and discard the recording. So 5th time trying this, but anyways, new year, same me, strategies refined. Just preparing for the day. It's only 9:54. Could have had already 8 trade setups, but busy with personal stuff. So hopefully you guys can learn something, tune in, and then let's see what we can get out of this. Let's see, there could be 2 trade setups coming up. Let's see, but anyways, we'll put on some music. I'm gonna have a coffee and just relax, get some trades in. Having some black grounded coffee from China. Pretty dope. Let's see. Gold's been going up beautifully lately. Went below the psychological range on Mondays. Tuesday formed a structure. Wednesday shift out. Reversed it. Retraced it. Continues. Today should be just a continuation day. And then Friday they might do a short squeeze and then drop it. We'll see. We'll see what they do today. But it doesn't matter for us. We're in and out within 2-3 minutes anyways. Maximum 10-15. Maximum. Only looking for 150 pips on gold, which equates to $1.50. $1.50. If we would get entry here, that literally just, that would take me to $1.50 right here. I would even take out 40 if I have to. Break the high, break the low, break the high. Drop. Come back. I'm on a suit, and I'm a pursuit. The money, the love, the funds, everything I want to loot. Come up, baby. You already know. You already know. Let's see. This was a high volume. Look at the volume. Fucking massive. That was a divergence. Break the high. Instantly come back below it. Level 2 sell. But we're only focusing on level 2 buys right now. We'll do level 2 sells next month. And then in March, we'll do both. And we'll just do both. And I should execute around 50 to 80 trades a day, each one of them in profit. This as well, I have to zoom in. But I can't, isn't it? It's fine, we'll find out anyways. Could be a trade. Could be a trade, come on. Closed above it, so. But then I don't. Okay, let's go, fuck it. That was right at the top, shit entry. So the stop loss is at. Stop loss is at. Let's put at 04 exactly. Yep. Alright. Enter another trade, I guess. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, don't clear this amount. See, I don't like that. This could be a failed trend play. But the way they bounced at the VWAP. See, VWAP is still trending up. Yeah, there has to be no doubt in this whatsoever. There has to be quick actions. We could come back and test this zone. Yep. Let's see. Yeah, ain't stopping. This was a high volume, above average volume candle close. It's a very big volume of this shift up. Now we just wanted to continue just a little bit higher, break this high, right? Because we got cap sellers in the zone. We wanted to break this easily. Let's go. Tapped it. Hey, I'm out if this don't work. I'm okay with that. Gap up, recovered the gap, continue down, shit. But I don't think it ends here. That's my uncle point. That's my uncle point. When I say uncle, I mean like I'm calling quits on this trade. Just a little bit more, $2. We can get it easily. I don't think they're done with it. There's a continual right here. If they wanna do it. If there's a continual, there's another trade right here, level 2. And I can enter one more. Too much risk though, isn't it? But setup is a setup. Let's go. Stopping volume. Angle point is here for this new trade. Should just go up, shouldn't stop. Okay, that's not the best, but it is what it is. Green vector. They're selling. They're gonna recover that liquidity. Yes, they did. Beautiful. Alright, let's go. As you can see, each entry is objective and systematic. Each exit is objective and systematic. Each exit is objective and systematic. Each point where I say that is it, no more, is objective and systematic. Okay, I don't like that. I don't like that. There we go. Push, push, push. It's another level 2, just a micro version. Might have to tip this shit, you know, depends. They haven't closed below this, so we're good. Okay, one's out, one's done. Stop loss, -10. Stop loss, -10. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Push, 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 push. Oops. We're out on that one. Can I get another one? You close negative, I'm out of this motherfucker. Push, 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 come on. Nearly? 10 more points? There we go. That's it, beautiful. Good trading. One more time, I like the song, one more time. Come on, guys. Yeah. Oh, nearly deleted this whole thing, man. It's, three beautiful trades. Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's go now. Yes, sir. I'm swerving divots when she on the side, just counting up digits and planning out bets. I'm checking the mirror to see out the back. I'm breaking my back. That's how I got where the fuck I'm at. Barry Bonds with a baseball bat. I'm finding some time to kill. I'm planning the year like I'm writing my will. Won't be worried about nil. Go get the paper, I'll stack it up over a mil. Might be on top now. The parents keep calling cause they know I'm locked down. Outside it's rough, but I keep a tough show. Let's go, let's go. And I'm up to suit. The money, the love, the funds. Everything I want to loot. Yeah. You already know. You already know. We'll see if Mr. C is available. Yes, sir. Come on. Yes, sir. Yeah, in this channel we're definitely gonna find some good trading and some good hip-hop music. The only thing about the strategy is that you gotta follow it. Like, follow it. Yes, sir. Okay, okay. And I was worrying is that the volume is making big moves, falling below average. Let's see if it continues. Because if it closes above average, then that would suggest that we're good to rise higher. And how am I looking at the volume? It's not this, not this, not this. I got another 4 screens where I'm checking the same asset on 4 different screens for different dimensions of price. So I got a 5-minute chart, I got PPS 0.15 zoomed out, right? The candles are yellow, so I could see it better in the bigger picture. Then I got a zoom in screen, which is this, where I make my trades and I record these videos. And then I got a bigger picture, like 5 minutes just in PPS. So this is where we at. I've done this. I got a session, my last trading day for 2024. That was a beautiful day, man. I was on demos. Fuck yeah, we flipped it. We flipped a lot, man. Like, I think made 2K from 3K or something like this. It's insane. Yeah. But anyways, good stuff. You see the thing about trading, right? With PPS, this is, I don't think any of you have seen anything like this before. So, when I came up with the idea, close above, that's a level 2 buy. Even this, an STVC is a level 2, so you could just, but it doesn't always work. Because basically what level 2 is, so let's get this. So this is, it drops down, goes down, and then it goes back up, right? See, goes down, drops down, then it goes back up. And you enter as the price comes back here, and then you can get another entry here. There's a tipping point, and then you can have another entry here as the BSG squeeze, and you could, oh shit, and if you really want it, you could do a interns buy as well. So this little setup is like, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 entries, catch and move up, done. But why this happens all the time is because the commercials, right, banks, they get filled in here, so that they've exited their shorts right now and they're trying to get filled long. So they come in, let's say they got 2,000 positions, they get filled 1K here, and there's no more selling. So what they have to do is cross the spreads. When they cross the spreads, this is where they get filled, and then they usually come back and go back up. Because you're also gonna have short-term selling algorithms coming down and pressing the price down, which the commercials buy into, right? So the selling algos are the liquidity for commercials to buy into. When market maker sees this stuff, he says, oh shit, this is a toxic liquidity right now coming in, because the commercials are crossing spreads, so they have to pull away their liquidity. When they pull away their short liquidity, that's why you get a huge shot up like that. So at this point, they pulled away their short liquidity, and this initiated this whole move up. So that's the idea behind level 2. Okay. as you can see, this is the same thing, just on a smaller time frame. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see it. It could go back down, then go up, or it could go down and then down, because we are a bit overextended, but we'll see. Let's see if this works. That would be funny to see. So the reason why it fails usually is because there's more pressure. So they have to compete for this move up. Everyone's competing for that liquidity, right? So if they get pressured down and they can't basically overpressure the selling, the level 2 will fail, it'll come up and then drop. So this is what this is, right? It has to close positive above the 5 and the 13. If it closes above 5 and 13, the next candle we can assume will close higher. Potentially, right? There's a higher probability. Doesn't mean it will, but there's a higher probability that it will. So at this point, I would keep the trade still. The only way I would sell is if it breaks this point right here. Right? One, two, three pushes high. The price is not going anywhere. The selling. It has to break this point, stopping volumes. Okay. They're preparing. One, two, three. Price is not going anywhere. They're building nice shorts. Like here, they're selling into profits. Selling. But here they're buying. They bought here, sold off in profit, sold off in profit, sold off in profit, selling in profit, selling in profit. They bought here, made a level 2, took profits, bought here, made a level 2 to get filled, now selling off. Red means they're buying, green means they're selling. Okay, this could be a W extension shift out. But again, what the fuck do I know? I'm just a dude trading patterns. Right? Never assume. Can anticipate, but never assume. Coffee done. I'll go for a top up. Cause I wanna be switched the fuck on this shit. Oops. Alright. Break below, come back. Let's see. Even if it breaks a tick, a pip, still valid. Because the real big boys, the way they do it is, when they see this, they enter, their stop is like 10-20 pips below. They come up, get 30-40 pips, they're out, done. They don't even get a full move, they just get like few of this, but when your lot size is like 1,000 lots. This little trade, right? Like this little trade, 1,000 lots. So you're making 10k per 100. So you're making 100k on 1,000 lots. That's 100k a minute. So this is what I'm working towards. Building this account. It'll get funny once we get to like 0.04 or 0.5 lots, because now we're on 0.01. But it'll get more fun then, because you're gonna see during this series what the fuck is possible with this system. Okay, looks like we might get a trade. Looks like we might get a trade. Now you're thinking, okay, this was a level 2, why didn't you enter? First reason, I missed it. Second reason, green vectors at the top. This would suggest 1, 2, 3 pushes, so it's a trapping behavior. Okay. There's our trade, there's our trade. The entries here. This could be a continual. As you can see, the momentum crossed. So the continual play would mean go short. And you drop down short. You see? How bad do I want this though? See, I nearly entered short. That's the catch. Because I'm only trading level 2 buys and level 2 buys mirror and larger mirrors. So I would have made a mistake if I would have traded short, even if I made money, because I would probably catch 150 from here easily. 150 is right somewhere there. Oh yes. Oops, come on. What the fuck? Hey. Is there a reason? Maybe it's good that it didn't get filled. If there's a continual, I'm going in. But then it's dropped, the momentum is negative. It's divergence right over here. This looks like a problem child. Because this will be RT. Yeah, no, I'm not trading this. Plus 200 EMA is just right here. They have to balance out the book, don't they? Add the VIV up as well. We want to weigh on that. Really? Okay. Oops. Am I going or am I not? Too much decisions. I mean, too much time wasted. Should have just went in. Missed it. Could do an interns buy right now, but So okay, that was another trade. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see, they already broke that. But then look how it is. Drop, drop, drop. It's a stop hunt. I'm not touching that shit. We'll go short here though. No, we can't. We're doing level 2 buys. We broke it, break the high, drop below, that's a level 2 sell. But that's next month, so what we're building is discipline. Even though you're making money, right? But you have to just chill. That's a valid level 2 sell. Valid as any. But we just chill. Cause I think they swipe it. Yeah, I really wanna take this trade. Fuck it, man. Stick to your knitting. Yeah, we'll see what we can get in this hour. I'm gonna still be trading, but I don't want to make these recordings like fucking massive in terms of length. Because most of the people, they can't even focus for 20 minutes these days. So what's the point of me making 2-hour videos? People not gonna even watch through it, you know what I mean? Even half an hour for people is long. And I'm here sitting in one spot focusing for at least 6 to 8 hours. At least. Taking breaks, obviously, because I'm gonna burn out, but crazy. So let's go back to those free trades. How did I do it? Okay, one more time. You'll find this stuff everywhere. So that's a level 2. Can we say that's a level 2? Yes, it is. Entry, right? It drops back down. That's a level 2 entry, right? And then we're done. This is also a level 2, right? Look, so you go a low here, come back into the low, entry. You go a low here, come back into the low, entry. Then you go a low here, come back into the low, entry. And that's how we got those free trades. Just so you guys are clear. It's gonna drop now. That's the funny thing. They always do the same shit. It doesn't change, right? It doesn't change. There's a variation, but it doesn't change. The baseline is the same. The core of it, the structure, the core of it. That's how it looks. That's the business, and that's why it works. Okay. No trade entry yet. I want to see a divergence on this. And we're quite extended from the 50 at least. $7 away. There could be a trade coming up. This is my entry. You close above that, I'm in. This is where I need it to be. But then do I want it? It's diverging. At the top, sell band. How big is this move? I'll be more comfortable with it going back down to the VWAP. And then me going in. Yeah, I could show you the just this trader's reality, right? 1, 2, 3 drop. I could just show you this, but I decided, nah, let me show you how I'm actually trading. And because the system is just, it's beautiful. Can we close above it? Okay, we're in. Why the fuck is it not working? Okay. I guess it's not working for a reason. Did it close above it? No, it didn't. Done a stopping volume, so no valid entry. It has to close above STVC. STVC, stopping trend volume candle. That's what this is. Didn't break it. Gap up. They're gonna recover that. Divergence though. But don't get tricked by it. Yeah, abnormal divergence right here. Drop down. Alright, that's the new low. It's to close above this. Alright, let's see. Wait, does it show me the values, right? Yes, it does. Okay. Okay, yeah. VWAP, okay. That's fine. It's a $9 gap. Okay. Could have another entry. Let's see. Now we're going up here. Can I get that cross? Okay, something's going on. That's a level 2 right here. Valid entry. Was typing, that's the problem, was typing. And we got a mirror now. Closed above it. But it didn't do what I wanted it to do. That's a valid divergence entry right there. Volume's dropping off for the sell side. Look how big that volume was here. But then it started to drop off. But then it's a slow volume as well. That's the thing. Could it be a F-con that's a continual? Could be a false one and drop down. Hit the VWAP. It's now 1, 2, it should be a 3. There we go. Okay. How does that work? Didn't break it. That's a W though. It looks like it's lower, right? But then it's not. So that means it would still be valid, no? Oh, they did break it. Kind of, yeah. They did. They did break it. But will it continue? Most likely will continue, come on. Ooh, that was interesting. Back to LB. SB, LB, B1, B3, right? VWAP. One, two, way. There could be an entry there. Can we close above this? No. It's good that I'm doing gold when it's on a positive scale, right? No, wait, let me open this shit. Let's see. Oh, there's a trade. Shit. Hey, come on, what's going on? Why I can't enter? Missed it. Come on, man. I'm having 2 trades and my setup is just being a nonce. Uncle Point is here, this is expensive. They closed above it. Alright, Uncle is here. can't clear it, close it below, man. That's a dangerous situation, if you'd ask me. I don't put protective targets or stop losses, as people call them, but I do put take profits. Can we clear it? 07.4. That was really aggressive. Just have to wait. They could even do a continual. I could do a RTU. That's a RTD. RTD. RTU. Retracement down, retracement up. Yes, definitely gonna go. Well, not definitely, I don't assume. But let's see, they might give us another position to enter. If they like us enough. Come back and test this. In this area. The middle one is a trap and the third one is the true one. Let's see if that's the case. If it's a continue, I'll double down on the position. Because we got the exact target right here. The bigger picture does show divergence at the top side because we literally are at the top side right now. But I think they need to come in and test the B1 top right here one more time and make a lower high, and then it's gonna be a fail trend play drop down. Even though I like fail trend plays. Oh, it's not the same. Okay, RTU. Close. Just a small push up. Close positive. Beautiful. This will be probably the last trade of the video. We'll just leave it and take a little break, come back around 12. Thank you. We're in. Okay, let's see. Just have to have patience with this shit. And liquidity. Patience and liquidity, that's all you need. Green vector closing above. Not strongly though. This could be a trap. What news we have? Let's see. Calendar. Alright, so we got core retail sales, unemployment claims, Philly. W? And then, yeah, nothing really going on next week. This is it, 24th. And we got Trump. Auguration, so Mondays were off. Okay, that's a continue. It's a W pattern. If you look at it, it went up, down, up, W. Not even asking for much. But doesn't mean they're gonna give me even a little. Okay, this whole move down, the volume was way below average on the 5 minutes. I'm really confident they'll do one more push up and then drop it down just to mitigate the orders so the market makers don't get into margin trouble, because they already mitigated it, right, when they came to the VWAP, so they're gonna do it again on another move up. There we go. Close above, clean close above. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to hear. Oh, I got 3 minutes. There we go. Okay, we're breaking this high right now. So I wanted to enter here, but I got filled here. Can you imagine? $40-point spread. Okay, let's keep going. My uncle point is here now at this point. Shouldn't even go below this. Getting ready. I'm taking it off at 40s. 140. I should get filled, no problem. It's just about this major quarter number that we're on right now. MQ, you see? Major quarter number. Let's see, I have to click here, turns out. To activate the algo, we've got 9 points, 6 points, okay, so 15 total. That could be my loot for the trade. But let's see, now we're closing above. Still has more juice. Let's break that high. Shit. They could even come down. I don't like that red candle at the moment because of the immediate action that it does bring. But if it's a red candle at the top like this, that means they're buying for a reason, to bring the price back up. Continue on a major quarter number means there's a possibility, but if it makes a FCON, we're out. So that was a reactive play. 1, 2, okay. See you later, alligator. Could be another continue, but this is a 1, 2. It should drop down to the EMA, so I ain't taking no risk. This should be a drop to the EMAs. Unless it's a continue. It's a continue, then it's... But am I gonna take that risk? No, man. At 1, 2, yeah, make $1, make £1. Checks. Okay. Got a big RTU pattern which could turn into max. I don't want to do that. But we had 2 trades right here. One was here, the other one is here, so both trades. Granted, obviously, fill, so you get filled here somewhere. That's 175. I could have got, but I missed it. And then we had this fill, which was 1, 3. There it is. That's a continue, but I'm not too bothered with this. In 57 minutes, I just done 5 profitable trades in front of your eyes. Systematic, objective, with clearly defined profit target, clearly defined exit conditions. That is it. Alright, and you'll see more of this shit. This 22.53 will be turned into £100,000 by the end of the series. Once we get to 10k, I think it'll take us around 4 weeks, 5 weeks, around that time. So, could do 10 lots, yeah? 1k per trade, 1.5k per trade, 1.2k per trade, and each of these trades have a high probability of success. So it took us 14 minutes, right? 14 minutes. And here we are. So it's all about size at this point. 14 minutes. Yeah, 2.4k. If this was a 10 lot trade. But we'll work it up. I would just want to build my repetitions. I want to get those reps in. It's a level 2. Isn't it? Not yet. No, we're gonna leave it, so. One more time. I don't know if you guys like this song or not, but it's lit. For jokes, should we go? That's the entry. Yeah. Yes, sir. Ooh. No way I'm hitting that. But it was a valid trade. It was a level 2. Was it not? Drop, retrace, drop, W, shift up. But there's no way I could have got that. That's it, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want the loot. Yeah. Alright, guys. Have a blessed one.